The comparison between iPhone 17 versus Samsung S26. So which one is actually better and which one is the right phone for you? What features do these two phones offer? Which one gives you more for our money? And most importantly, which one should you actually buy? That's exactly what you are doing to find out in this video. And don't worry, I am not going to waste our time with a bunch on unnecessary talk for spend 10 minutes repeating what every other's big tech channel already tells you. Instead, we are going to focus on these things that actually matter when you buy a phone. There are four many things that actually matter in a smartphone: the display, the camera, the processor, and the battery. So we are going to compare these four things and see which phones come out on top. Let's start with the display. The iPhone 17 comes with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with Apple ProMotion technology and adaptive refresh rate of up to 120Hz. The Galaxy S26 also comes with a 6.3-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. When it's come to resolution, the iPhone 17 has a resolution of 1006 into 2622 pixel, while the Galaxy S26 comes with 1080 into 2340 pixel. The iPhone 17 also has a higher pixel density at 460 pixel per inch compared to 411 ppi on the Galaxy S26. So based on resolution and pixel density, the iPhone 17 has the sharper display, and for this round give the display win the iPhone 17. Now it is talk about the camera. The iPhone 17 comes with a dual camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera and a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. It can record at 4K Dolby Vision video at up to 60 fps. On the other hand, the Galaxy S26 comes with a triple camera setup. You get a 50 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The Galaxy S26 can also record 80K video but at up to 30 fps. So on paper, Samsung gives you more camera flexibility with its dedicated telephoto lens, while the iPhone focus on its two higher resolution cameras and strong 4K video capacities. Now it is talk about another important part, the processor. The iPhone 17 is powered by Apple A19 chip and it is delivers some seriously impressive performance. In Antutu, the iPhone 17 score around 2.1 millions and in the Geekbench 6 it scored around 3692 points in single core performance and about 9454 points in multi-core performance. The A90 is clearly very powerful chip, especially when it's come to single core performance. On the other hand, the Galaxy S26 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. In Antutu, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 can score around 3.9 million and the Geekbench scored around 3640 in single core and over 11,033 points in multi-core performance. So when it comes to raw multi-core performance, the Galaxy S26 has a clear advantage over the iPhone 17. Now it is talk about battery life. The iPhone 17 is reported to have a battery capacity of around 3692 mAh and it is support wide charger at up to 25 watt. On the other hand, the Galaxy S26 a larger 4300 mAh battery and also supports 25 watt wide charger. So on paper, the Galaxy S26 has the advantage when it is come to battery capacity, but battery capacity does not tell the whole story. Real world battery life also depends on the processor, display, software optimize and how efficiency the phone use power. So we are covered the main feature of both phones. Now it is talk about the price difference and more importantly which one is actually the better choice for you. In this US, the iPhone 17 is starting at $799 for the 256GB model, While the Galaxy S26 started at $899, also with 256 GB of storage. That means the Galaxy S26 about $100 more expensive than the iPhone 70 at the regular starting price. So after comparing everything here, my final verdict, when it is come to the display and cameras, I think the iPhone 70 has a slightly advantage. But when it is come to performance and battery, the Galaxy S26 comes out slightly ahead. However, there is one big factor we can't ignore: the price. The iPhone 70 is about $100 cheaper than the Galaxy S26. So when you look at the overall package and value for getting for you, I think the iPhone 70 is the better choice for most people. So which one would you choose, the iPhone 17 for the Galaxy S26? Let me know the comment section. It is for this video. I see you in another exciting tech video. Until then, take care and bye.